विनायक नमस्तुभ्यं सततं मोदकप्रिय निर्विघ्नं कुरु नो देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामः सिद्धिर्भवतु नो सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं रामनाम वरानने। आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसंपदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। श्रीराघवं दशरथात्मजमप्रमेयं सीतापतिं रघुकुलान्वयरत्नदीपं आजानुबाहुमरविन्ददलायताक्षं रामं निशाचर विनाशकरं नमामि। श्रीरघुराम चारुतुलसीदलधाम शमक्षमादिशृङ्गारगुणाभिराम त्रिजगन्नुतशौर्यरमाललाम दुर्वारुकबन्धराक्षसविराम जगज्जनकल्मषार्णवोत्तारकनाम भद्रगिरिदाशरथी करुणापयोनिधि। आञ्जनेयमतिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमनीयविग्रहं पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनं। यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं। बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वमरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनूमत्स्मरणात् भवेत्। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्। सुप्रभातम्। अद्यतन पंचांगम January 8th प्लवनाम संवत्सरे दक्षिणायने शिशिर ऋतौ पौष्यमासे शुक्लपक्षे सप्तमी तिथिः till midnight 38 minutes after midnight स्थिरवासरः उत्तर भाद्रपदा नक्षत्रम till 8:40 p.m. followed by Revati last nakshatra. Parigha yoga till 20 after midnight followed by Shiva yoga. Garakaranam till afternoon 19 afternoon followed by Vanik yoga till 38 after midnight followed by Vishti yoga. Sarvebhyah suprabhatam. So last time we completed 50 and we just started 51st sarga. That is where Shatananda was receiving, Purohita Shatananda of Janaka Maharaja. He was gladly receiving everyone and especially very glad because his father, his guru, he keeps referring him as Guru. Me Guruna, Mama Guruhu, he says. So his father is his guru. He's so glad that his father and mother, his mother's shapa is relaxed or is given away. And so now both his father and mother are back together. So he's happy, very happy about that. That is where we started. Let's quickly continue with those shlokas and then we'll continue from where we left off. So somebody can repeat after me. Atha ekapanchashas sargah.
Atha ekapanchashas sargah.
Tasya tadvachanam shrutva.
Tasya tadvachanam shrutva.
Vishwamitrasya dhimatah.
Vishwamitrasya dhimatah.
Hristaroma mahatejah.
Hristaroma mahateja.
Shatanando mahatapah.
Shatanando mahatapah.
Gautamasya suto jyeshtah.
Gautamasya suto jyeshtah.
Tapasa dyotit prabhah.
Tapasa dyotit prabhah.
Rama sandarshanadeva.
Rama sandarshanadeva.
Param vismayamagatah.
Param vismayamagatah.
Satau nishan. So Gautamasya sutah jyeshtah. Rama sandarshanateva. Just with by darshan of Rama. Samyak darshanam of Rama. Samyak because he has already solved his problem. So it is a lot more samyak darshanam for Shatananda. So samyak darshanat, sandarshanadeva vismayam. He has attained amazement, wow. Satau nishannau sampreksya
सतौ निषण्णौ संप्रेक्ष्य
tukhasinau nrupatmajau
सुखासीनौ नृपात्मजौ
shatanando munisreshtham
तथानन्दो मुनिश्रेष्ठं
vishwamitramathabravit
विश्वामित्रमथाब्रवीत्
apite munishardula
अपि ते मुनिशार्दूल
mama mata yashasvini
मम माता यशस्विनी
darshita rajaputraya
दर्शिता राजपुत्राय
tapo dirgham upagata.
तपो दीर्घमुपागता.
Oh, Vishwamitra, wow. You also have shown my Yashaswini mother, who has done Dirgha Tapam. Tapo Dirgham Upagata. Rajaputra Yadarshita. You have shown him, you have shown her to the Prince Rama. Api Rame Mahateja.
अपि रामे महातेजा
Mama Mata Yashaswini.
मम माता यशस्विनी
Vanyai Upaharat Pujam.
वन्यैरुपाहरत् पूजां
Pujarhe Sarvadehinam.
पूजार्हे सर्वदेहिनां.
So he's again continuing saying that, okay, my mother also performed puja with all the vanyaihi, whatever are pujarahihi, vastubhihi. So whatever are available, resources available in the vana, which are very precious, uncorrupted, using such resources, she has performed the puja sarvadehinam. Api Ramaya Kathitam
अपि रामाय कथितं
Yathavrittam Puratanam
यथा वृत्तं पुरातनं
Mama Matur Mahatejo
मम मातुर्महातेजो
Daivena Duranushtitam.
दैवेन दुरनिष्ठितं.
So he continued to say, oh, such mother, Yathavrittam Tatha Ramaya Kathitam, as occurred, as it happened, so you have, conveyed it to her, to him. And Duranishtitam Daivena, even by gods, right? Or even by the destiny. Daivam is also destiny. Daivena. By destiny, whatever, by destiny meaning, by good luck or by bad luck, whatever way you can say. By that unfortunate times that she had, in spite of that, she has performed Duranushtitam Mahatapaha. So which is not possible ordinarily by ordinary people to perform such a tough puja, tapas. She has performed it. Api Kaushika Bhadramte.
Api Kaushika Bhadrante.
Guruna Mama Sangata.
Guruna Mama Sangata.
Mata Mama Munisreshta.
Mata Mama Munisreshta.
Rama Sandarshanaditaha.
Rama Sandarshanaditaha.
So Munisreshta, Kaushika Bhadramte, all the best to you, because Mama Guruna, Mama Mata Sangata. So my mother has finally, met and come back to my father. And Rama Sandarshanat Itaha, Mama Guruna Agataha. So my father has come after meeting my mother with you here. So I'm very pleased. Api me Guruna Ramaha.
Api me Guruna
Ramaha.
Pujitah Kushikatmaja.
Pujitah Kushikatmaja. Kushikatmaja.
Ihagato Mahateja.
Ihagato Mahateja.
Pujam Prapto Mahatmanaha.
Pujam Prapto Mahatmanaha.
Here we said, we talked a little. Api me Guruna, my father, by my father, me Guruna Tritiya Vibhakti. Kushikatmaja, me Guruna Mahatmanaha Ramaha. No, me Guruna Ramaha Pujitaha. My father Rama was worshipped or served. Such Rama Mahatejaha Mahatmanaha Pujam Praptaha Iha Agataha. Such Rama, who has received puja performed by my father, has finally come here. So For me, my father himself is Guru. If someone like Rama who received puja, who was performed, who was worshipped by my revered Guru, then how great this Rama must be. Wow. Api shantena manasa
अपि शान्तेन मनसा
gururme kushikatmaja
गुरुर्मे कुशिकात्मजा
ihagateena ramena
इह गतेन रामेण
prayatena abhivaditaha.
प्रयतेन अभिवादिता
Api kushikatmaja iha agatena ramena shantena manasa guruhu me guruhu prayatena abhivaditaha. Also see how what a great courtesy, what a great culture it is that such Rama who was worshipped by my Guru, after coming here, my Guru was given abhivadanam, meaning was given greetings by iha agatena ramena shantena manasa, with very pleased heart or with very pleased mind. Tachrutva vachanam tasya
तच्छ्रुत्वा वचना तस्य
Vishwamitro Mahamunihi
विश्वामित्रो महामुनिः
Pratyuvacha Shatanandam
प्रत्युवाच शतानन्दं
Vakyajno Vakyakovidam.
वाक्यज्ञो वाक्यकोविकम्.
So this is here onwards we will start. So
Ah.
we said, right, the way adjectives are used always shows compatibility between the two parties, eligibility between the two parties. So Vakyajnaha, we said Jna is a suffix which is one who knows, one who is aware of. Mantrajnaha, one who knows mantra. Vakyajnaha, one who knows speech. That means one who knows how to speak perfectly, appropriately. Vakyajnaha, Vakya Kovidam Shatanandam Pratyuvacha. So such Vakyajnaha, if he goes and talks to useless fellows, what result or what purpose will it serve? It we say, right, Budilo Posna Paneer, we say, paneer, such perfume. If you take it and put it in ash, the ash will never get any perfume. It will only stay in the air, but ash itself will not get it. Likewise, for a Vakyajna to address, he should be Vakya Kovidaha. Kovida, in Sanskrit Bharati, there are 4 exams. Pravesha, Parichaya, Siksha, Kovidaha. Kovida is the last exam. So Kovida is ultimate scholar. Vid is somebody who knows. Kovidaha. Kahavidaha is Kovida. Who else is ever, who is knowledgeable? Means he is the best. Such is Kovidaha.
Bhavan Kovida asti.
Kovida, Kovida asmi. So Vakya Kovidam, Vakyajnaha, Pratyuvacha. Tachrutva, having listened to all these praises, all these hearty, glad, expressions of Shatananda, Tachrutva Vachanam Tasya Mahamunihi Vishwamitraha Vakyajnaha Vakya Kovidam Shatanandam Pratyuvacha. He responded back to Vakya Kovida Shatananda. Natikrantam Munishrestha
नातिक्रांतं मुनिश्रेष्ठ
Yat Kartavyam Kritam Maya
यत् कर्तव्यं कृतं मया
Kritam Maya Sangata Munina Patni
संगता मुनिना पत्नी
Bhargaveneva Renuka.
भार्गवेणेव रेणुका.
So he's saying, no big deal, is essentially what Vishwamitra is trying to show his humility as. Whereas Shatananda was so pleased and he was praising so much, wow, we have done all this. But he's saying, na atikrantam. Oh, Shatananda, na atikrantam. I haven't done anything extraordinary. I haven't gone 10 steps ahead and did anything great. Na atikrantam. Yat kartavyam kritam maya. Whatever has to be done is what I have done. Yat kartavyam, whatever has to be done, kritam maya, that is what is done by me. Just as Bhargavena Renuka iva Bhargavena Renuka Patni iva Munina Sangata. So he is quoting an old instance. Most of us might know. Bhargava is in a way here Jamadagni, Rishi Jamadagni, whose wife is Renuka, who their son, we all know. Who is the son? Parashurama. So,
Parashurama.
and we know that small instance, right? When Jamadagni is, his very name says Agni, Jamadagni, he is fire.
Jamadagni
So
Gotram asti.
ferocious. Huh?
Gotram asti.
Atishighram Shighrakopi Saha Shighrakrodaha. So we all know that story where when Bhargava, when Parashurama comes and says, I'll do anything for you. Okay, go kill her. He says, because she has violated my instruction. And in respect for father, boom, he goes and kills her. And then, pleased Jamadagni, he says, oh, what do you want now? I'll give you a boon. Then he's a good son. So he says, okay, give me back my mother. And so he gives back, he gives life, he brings Renuka back to life. In such a way, hey, it's no great deal. I mean, what I have done is no great deal. She was already alive. She was doing her tapas. And I just brought Rama to Ahalya. Whereas if you see in the past, Jamadagni case, Parashurama case, Renuka was killed, was beheaded, and still brought back to life. Right? Quoting such a big event or incident, hey, this is nothing, is in a way humility being expressed by Vishwamitra. So, na atikrantam yat kartavyam muna kritam maya. If you compare it to Bhargavena Renuka Patni, tatha munina sangata. Likewise, just as she has come back and lived with Jamadagni, so also, Ahalya is now back to Gautama, is essentially what he's saying. Tachrutva vachanam tasya.
Tatpucha vachanam tasya.
Vishwamitrasya dhimataha.
Vishwamitrasya dhimataha.
Shatanando mahateja.
Shatanando mahateja.
Ramam vachanam abravit.
Ramam vachanam abravit.
So having listened to that simple humility, now he's saying, Shatananda is wanting to say, tell more to Rama. We say, right, for example, let's say there is an adhikari who comes to our home. We go with that adhikari to some other new Swayamsevak's home as Sampark to introduce, hey, see how great our Karyakartas are, our seniors are. And there we try to praise him. Oh, he's a pracharak. He has given already 25 years of his life, whereas I have given 25 years of my life for profession and family. See him. He has given his 25 years of life, no home, no, married life or anything, all for society. What a tapas and all. And then he says, no, it's not, I'm nothing. There are people who have given their 85 years of life also. They have lived and left this body as pracharak. What am I, sir? Nothing. It's no big thing. When he says that, now, what will be the response of that Swayamsevak who is looking at? Really? Wow, how great, right? So such an expression is what Shatananda is now responding back to Rama, saying, Tat vachanam tasya, tat shrutva vachanam tasya, Vishwamitrasya dhimataha. Of the Dhiman Vishwamitra's speech, his response, having heard, Shatanandaha Mahatejaha Ramam Vachanam Abravit. He now started talking, addressing Rama. Why? He's saying, Swagatam te narasreshtha.
Swagatam te narashreshta.
Dishtya prapto si Raghava.
Dishtya prapto si Raghava.
Vishwamitram paraskritya.
Vishwamitram paraskritya.
Maharshim aparajitam.
Maharshim aparajitam.
You are reading, don't read, listen and say, like Prajna. Maharshim aparajitam.
Maharshim aparajitam.
So, Swagatam te Narasreshta. Oh, best of the men, Rama, Swagatam. You have welcome here. Dishtya praptosi, Raghava. Dishti, we say. Dishti, unfortunately, in most of the regional languages in Telugu, I don't know if it is said in Tamil also with the same meaning. Dishti, we use it more as a negative, scared usage. Oh, dishti, we get dishti.
Negative energy, attracting negative energy.
Huh?
Attracting a negative energy.
Attracting negative energy is how we colloquially use. But the original Sanskrit usage is dishti, means fortune or unexpected prudence. Wow, kind of a thing. So dishtya praptosi. It is not ordinarily possible for me to see you here, because you who have, because of whom my mother's shapam was, removed or eradicated, ridden off. Such a person for me to meet is not ordinarily possible. It can only be by great fortune. So dishtya praptaha asi. It's by great fortune that you have arrived here. That too Vishwamitram paraskritya. By having Vishwamitra leading you, keeping ahead of you. Vishwamitram paraskritya. And what kind of a Vishwamitra? He is aparajitam maharshim. He is aparajita. Two meanings also you can take. Aparajita flower, which is in that Swargaloka, is a rare, unique flower which everybody wants. So aparajitam. Also the literal meaning is parajita. One who is parajita means jita, won over by others, which means one who lost. Aparajita, one who is never won over by anybody else. That means one who has always been successful, who never lost any of his efforts. So aparajitah, aparajitam maharshim Vishwamitram puraskritya dishtya praptosi Raghava. I'm so delighted, is how he's responding. Achintya karma tapasa.
Achintya karma tapasa.
Brahmarshir atula prabha.
Brahmarshir atula prabha.
Vishwamitro mahateja.
Vishwamitro mahateja.
Vetsyenam paramam gatim.
Vetsyena paramam gatim.
So he's further saying how great Vishwamitra is. Achintya karma. The actions performed by that Vishwamitra are achintyam, unimaginable, unconceivable. We cannot think unthinkable. Such great actions he has performed. So achintya karma. Tapasa brahmarshihi. He has become brahmarshi. He has attained that brahmarshi padam by his tapas. So much of effort he has put by not giving up, even though he was a king. And he tells all that story in the next several sargas. Brahmarshihi tapasa atula prabha. Prabha, his suprabha. His prabha means his glow, his aura, his atula, uncomparable, immeasurable, uncomparable. Atula prabha. Brahmarshihi Vishwamitraha Mahatejaha Enam Paravam Gatim Vetsya. Enam, I think it should be. Vetsya, meaning please know. I will let you know. Know or become aware of the great path that
Somebody is
went
talking
through.
in the background. They should stop it.
So you should know, Rama, you should know the great path that this Atula Prabha, Achintya Karma, Mahatejaha, Vishwamitraha has treaded to finally achieve that Brahmarshi Padam, with the tapas that he has performed. So you should know that path, that story, because he's such a great man. Why? Then he says, it is not so easy. Nasti dhanyataro Rama,
Nasti dhanyato Rama,
tvattonyo bhuvi kaschana.
tvatyonyo bhuvi kaschana.
Don't read, just listen and repeat. Tvattonyo bhuvi kaschana.
Tvatyonyo bhuvi kaschana.
Gopta kushika putraste.
Gopta Krushika
Putraste. Yena taptam mahattapaha.
Yena taptam mahattapaha.
So he's saying, you are Kushika Putra Gopta te. Kushika Putra was your Gopta. Gopta means protector. Guptam is to hide and or cover, and and that's why Gupta is the last name given to Vaishyas, because they protect the wealth. They generate and protect the wealth. So Gupta. And one who protects like that is Gopta. So you are protected by Kushika Putra. You have been through all these. Protected doesn't necessarily mean protected from evil and all. Means you are given all that knowledge. You are given the time by him. You are given all these opportunities by him. You were given all this leadership by him. So he is Gopta. So Kushika Putraha te Gopta. So Tvat more than you, from you or beyond you. Tvattaha anyaha bhuvi kaschana dhanyataraha nasti. There cannot be anybody more, fortunate, more grateful, more successful, or more fortunate than you in the world, in this on this earth. Bhuvi kaschana anyaha tvattaha dhanyataraha nasti. Why? Because yena mahat tapaha taptam saha kushika putraha te gopta. Are, such a great man by whom great tapas was performed, if he is your guru, if he is your leader or mentor, there cannot be anybody else on this earth who is more fortunate than that. Is how Shatananda is expressing his delight for Vishwamitra and Rama. So he's saying, Shruyatam abhidasyami.
Shruyatam abhidasyami.
Kaushikasya mahatmanaha.
Kaushikasya mahatmanaha.
Yatha balam yatha vrittam.
Yatha balam yatha vrittam.
Tanme nigadata shrunu.
Tanme nigada shrunu.
So he's saying, so such a great person you have spent last several weeks with, hey, it's not an ordinary thing, and you should know about him. You think you have performed great feats before him, but you should know about him. Is essentially how Shatananda is trying to express his delight, all his joy, his I cannot find words in English, but his dhanyatvam for Vishwamitra and Rama. So he's saying, Shruyatam, listen to me, may you listen. Abhidasyami, I shall put forward the entire story. Mahatmanaha Kaushikasya, of the Mahatma Kaushika, Yatha Balam, Yatha Tapobalam, how he has obtained all that Tapobalam, Yatha Vrittam, and everything that as it occurred. Tatme Nigadataha Shrunu. Listen to that with Nigadataha. Nigadataha is with all attention. Will pay all attention and listen to me. Rajabhudesha dharmatma.
Rajabhudesha dharmatma.
Dirghakala marindamaha.
Dirghakala marindamaha.
Dharmajnah kritavidyascha
धर्मज्ञः कृतविद्यश्च
prajanam cha hite ratah.
प्रजानां च हिते रतः.
So he started narrating the story of Vishwamitra. Raja Abhut or Raja Abhut. He was Raja. Eshaha. Eshaha Dharmatma Raja Abhut. He was a Raja. He was king. He was the emperor for so long. Dirgha Kalam, for so long. Arindamaha. Now see the difference, I think, because we said, let's learn Sanskritam also as we are reading Valmiki Ramayana. So Arindama is how we have heard several times used before, even in Bhagavad Gita and all. Arindama. Arindama, when we say, we are addressing him, Sambodhana Vibhakti. Hey Arindama, Rama. But here, Arindamaha. He is Arindamaha. So he was Raja for a long time. Arindamaha. He was able to keep all his foes in control and in their places. Damam. Dama is Shama Dama. To be able to control and suppress. Arindamaha. Ari is Shatru. Arindamaha. One who has suppressed all his enemies and kept them in their places. Is Arindamaha. Dirgha Kalam and Dharmajnah. So from here, if you see, all these are adjectives that Narada has applied for Rama when he was telling in the first Sarga to Valmiki. Similar adjectives come here. So that means, as I said, Samatulyaha. You need Vakyajnaha. You need a Vakya Kovida for a Vakyajna to talk to. Likewise, you need a Dharmajnaha to be the mentor of Rama, of who is a Dharmajna. Dharmajnaha Kritavidyascha, one who has Vidya, one who has successfully obtained all Vidya is Kritavidyaha. Vidya Samyak Kritam Yena Saha Kritavidyaha. Prajanam cha hite rataha, same adjective used as it is. Prajanam cha hite rataha, yashasvi, jnana sampanni, Chir, Vasya, Samadhiman. And so on. Most of our kings were like that in the past. And so that is what we should know about our past. Hey, we haven't come from useless bourgeois and all into something better now. No. We still have the best ever look up to role model in our past. And so we always have great legacy to look up to, or to look back up to refer back to. So Prajanam cha hite rataha, always engrossed, obsessed, preoccupied with the welfare of his people, his children. Children meaning citizens. Prajaha is children, we said, right? Prajapati sutastvasmin, Prajapati sutasvasit.
Prajapati sutachachit.
My mistake again. Let me correct. Prajapati sutasvasit.
Sutachachit. Prajapati sutachachit.
Kusho nama mahipatihi.
Kuso nama mahipatihi.
Kushasya putro balavan.
Kusasya putro balavan.
Kushanabhas sudharmikaha.
Kusanabha sudharmikaha.
Kushanabhas sutasvasit.
Kusanabha
Sutasvasit.
Sutasvasit.
Sutasvasit. Gadhirityeva vishrutaha.
Gadhirityeva vishrutaha.
Gadhe putro mahateja.
Gadhe putro mahateja.
Vishwamitro mahamunihi.
Vishwamitro mahamunihi.
Okay. So he started saying, Vishwamitra also introduced about himself briefly, right? When he was telling about about his ancestors. Now that is being quickly reiterated here. So Prajapati Sutaha tu asit Kushaha nama Mahipatihi. Prajapati's son by name Kusha, who was Mahipatihi, the ruler of the entire earth. Asit was there. Kushasya putraha Balavan Kushanabhaha Sudharmikaha. Kusha's son, one of the son of the four, as we have seen that story then. Kushanabha is the Sudharmika Balavan son of Kusha. Kushanabha Sutaha tu asit Gadhi ityeva Vishrutaha. Popularly known as Gadhi was the son of Kushanabha. Gadhehe putraha Mahatejaha Vishwamitraha Mahamunihi. Of that popularly well-known, renowned Gadhi, his son is Vishwamitra, who is Mahatejaha and Mahamunihi. Vishwamitro Mahatejaha. Amma.
Vishwamitro Mahatejah
Palayamasa Medinim.
Palayamasa Medini
Bahuvarsha Sahasrani.
Bahuvarsha Sahasrani
Raja Rajyam Akarayat.
Raja Rajyam Akarayat.
So that Vishwamitra, who is a Mahatejaha, Medinim Palayamasa. Medini means earth. He has ruled this earth. Palayamasa, he has ruled Bahuvarsha Sahasrani, for several thousands of years. That Raja Rajyam Akarayat. He has been ruling and running the state. Rajyam Akarayat. He has been ruling the state for several thousands of years. Kadachit Mahateja.
Kadachit Mahateja.
Yojayitva Varuthinim.
Yojayitva Varuthinim.
Akshauhini Parivrataha.
Akshauhini Parivrataha.
Parichakrama Medinim.
Parichakrama Medinim.
So, Kadachit Mahatejaha Akshauhini Parivrataha Vishwamitraha Varuthinim Yojayitva. So, after once upon a time, Kadachit, at one point of time, Mahatejaha Akshauhini Parivrataha, along with his all a big, what is it called? Platoon, or a big, one of those big army group. Akshauhini means huge army. Akshauhini Parivrataha, surrounded by his Akshauhini, Medinim Parichakrama. He went around touring the entire earth. Because he was ruling, he went on pravas. He went on a pravas to see how are things going in each city. So that's from where we learned pravas also. So Medinim Parichakrama. And so, why did this come again here? So Nagarani cha Rashtrani.
Nagarani cha Rashtrani.
Saritascha tatha girin.
Saritascha tatha girin.
Ashraman kramasho Rama.
Ashraman kramasho Rama.
Vicharan na jagamaha.
Vicharan na jagamaha.
Vasishtasyashramam. Vasishtasyashrama padam nana. Vasishtasyashrama padam.
Vasishtasyashrama padam.
Nana vriksha samakulam.
Nana vriksha samakulam.
Nana mruga ganakirnam.
Nana mruga ganakirnam.
Siddhacharana sevitam.
Siddhacharana sevitam.
As part of that pravas, Nagarani cha Rashtrani Saritascha tatha girin ashraman kramashaha vicharan. Vicharan means vicharati, means having traveled and visited Nana Nagaranicha, Rashtranicha, several cities, several other Rashtra nations. Saritascha, several rivers. Tatha Girin, mountains also. Ashraman, several ashramas also. Kramashah, in an order. So he has made a big tour plan, and city of nation, country after country, country after country, he went around. And finally, Vicharan, by traveling or by visiting all these places, Vasishtasya ashrama padam ajagama. Ajagama, agatavan. Finally, he has arrived at Vasishtasya ashrama padam. Ashrama place of Vasishtha, he has finally arrived at, which is Nana Vriksha Samakulam, which is full of various trees and various trees. Nana Vriksha Samakulam, Nana Mruga Gana Kiranam, also filled with all types of animals. Siddha Charana Sevitam, it was not only inhabited by human beings, but also by Siddhas and Charanas. Siddhas are all those extraordinary people. Charanas are all those mobile species who can keep moving anywhere, from anywhere to anywhere. Siddha Charana Sevitam, served by such Siddhas and Charanas who are extraordinary people, extraordinary species. Devadanava Gandharvaihi,
Devadanava Gandharvaihi,
Kinnarai Upashobhitam,
Kinnarai Upashobhitam,
Prashanta Harina Kiranam,
Shanta Harina Kiranam,
Dvija Sangha Nishevitam.
Vijasanga Nishevitam.
So Deva Danava Gandharvaihi Kinnaraihi Upashobhitam, that place which was beautifully adorned by Devas, Gandharvas, Danavas, Kinnaras, all types of species essentially. Everyone would visit that place, spend some time either as a visitor or learn something there as a student, or go there for consultations as a problem seeker, as a solution seeker. For whatever purpose, all kinds of people would visit that ashrama. Such a great ashrama it is. And Prashanta Harina Kiranam, Mruga, previously said Nana Mruga Gana Kiranam, by several types of groups of Mrugas, animals. Mruga can be sometimes animal, sometimes specially deer. But here, because now Prashanta Harina Akiranam, Harina is deer. So because deer is mentioned here, the previous Mruga should be taken as other animals. So Prashanta Harina Akiranam. Anytime you see deer, it's so beautiful sight, right? And it gives us pleasant happiness. Even in our James Burgess, if we walk around, we'll see so many deers in coming areas especially. So also when we see the deer, wow, I want to stop by, and it reminds the entire Ramayana and all of that, all our ashramas and all. So Prashanta Harina Kiranam, looking at deers, they naturally, automatically give that peace, prashantata. So prashanta Harina Akiranam, surrounded by or inhabited by these deers, which give that pleasant environment. Dvija Sangha Nishevitam. Dvijas are twice borns. Dvija, born twice, which means first time he is just born as a ordinary, as an ordinary so-called human being, animal, social animal, as they say, right? But second born is when he starts his education. So once he is educated, then he is second born. Again, educated is not B, MS, etc. These educations, but that education, yajñātva nanyajñātavyam, by knowing which there is nothing else that you need to know again. You know everything. By knowing which you would have known everything. Knowing which you don't seek anything more for life.
So, Bhogaji, does it also, refer to the Brahmins?
At the Upanayan.
also
of
means
course. Yeah, that was the tradition. But the point is, whoever are such people, so all the three, Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, all three are Dvijas. In fact, I mean, from the point of, yes, technically those three, but even all Shudras also have their own professions, which means they have their own gurus from whom they learn. For example, a goldsmith has to learn all the skill from his guru. There are their own texts. And so they go to their guru and they learn from him. There is a Lohakara, there is a Karmakara, Kumbhak. Everyone has to learn their texts, their skills from their gurus. And so there were gurus in all the communities. Unfortunately, it was all skewed in a skewed manner. It was presented to us as if there is this hierarchy and all. But otherwise, Dvija is anyone who has taken that second life for a bigger purpose, for a higher purpose, through proper education, through proper, what is it called? Institutionalized. So that is a Dvija. Second born, twice born, essentially. Even in fact, Christianity also, they do baptize. They say that baptism is the second born. Till that time, he is not a Christian. Only when he is baptized, then he is Christian. So he is that's why for them, baptism is also a significant thing. Okay, so Dvija Sangha Nishevitam, by groups of several Dvijas, occupied by several such groups of Dvijas, which means all those who have come to learn several things. That means his ashrama is a big university, probably much bigger than any other universities that are known today, existing or past. Such a great ashrama pada. And that's why you come there, Brahmanas go, Vaishyas go, Kshatriyas go, Lohakaras go, Kumbhakaras go, all. Anyone who is excelling would go and find a place there and offer some courses there. Imagine it like that. So such a great place it is. Brahmarshi Gana Sankirnam.
Brahmarshi Gana Sankirnam.
Devarshi Gana Sevitam.
Devarshi Gana Sevitam.
Tapascharana Samsiddhaihi.
Tapascharana Samsiddhaihi.
Agnikalpair Mahatmabhihi.
Agnikalpair Mahatmabhihi.
Ambhakshair Vayubhakshaischa.
Ambhakshay Vayubhakshaischa.
Shirna Parna Shanais Tatha.
Shirna Parna Shanais Tatha.
Shirna Parna Shanais Tatha.
Shirna Parna Shanais Tatha.
Phala Moola Shanair Dantaihi.
Phala Moola Shanair Dantaihi.
Jita Roshair Jitendriyaihi.
Jita Roshay Jitendriyaihi.
Rishibhir Vala Khilyaischa.
Rishibhir Vala Khilyaischa.
Japa Homa Parayanaihi.
Japa Homa Parayanaihi.
Anyai Vaikhanasais. Anyai Vaikhanasaischaiva.
Anyai Vaikhanasaischaiva.
Samantad Upashobhitam.
Samantad Upashobhitam.
Vasishtasya padam.
Vasishtasya padam.
Brahmalokam ivaparam.
Brahmalokam ivaparam.
Dadarsha Jayatam Sreshto.
Dadarsha Jayatam Sreshto.
Vishwamitro Mahabalaha.
Vishwamitro Mahabalaha.
So Mahabalaha Vishwamitraha Jayatam Sreshtaha. So the best of Jayatam, those winners. Yaha Jayati Saha Jayi, of such several Jayis is Jayatam. Bahuvachanam Shashti Vibhakti. So Jayatam Sreshtaha Mahabalaha Vishwamitraha Brahmalokam Aparam Iva Vasishtasya Ashrama Padam Dadarsha. That's how the last line is ending. And rest all are adjectives of that Ashrama Padam. Dadarsha, we saw it, means he saw in the past tense. Dadarsha, litlakara. So what kind of Ashrama Padam was it? In addition to Devadanava Gandharvaihi Kinnaraihi Upashobhitam Prashanta Harina Kiranam Dvija Sangha Nishevitam Brahmarshi Gana Sankiranam. So we said, if Dvija Sangha Nishevitam, if students, the second born students, go there or to take courses, then what kind of professors do you need there to teach them? What kind of gurus do you need there? So Brahmarshi Gana, not just one Brahmarshi, it was Gana of Brahmarshis, several Brahmarshis. Several Brahmarshis were there. So Brahmarshi Gana Sankiranam, it was occupied by groups of Brahmarshis, so that Dvija Sangha can be serving them. Dvija Sangha Nishevitam, which is occupied by Brahmarshi Gana Sankiranam. And Devarshi Gana Sevitam. So see the various kinds of rishis. You know, what do they call? Even today we have, right? Professor, what do they call the next one? I know our, anyone knows various levels in universities?
Well, assistant professor, associate professor, reader, and professor.
No, I also recently heard another level, another title of those who form a grant, like somebody who forms a chair.
Oh,
They have a different title.
Emeritus professor.
Emeritus professor, like that, right?
No, emeritus is typically retired.
After retirement, yes.
Okay, after retirement. No, but there are just like that, we have Rishi, Rajarshi, Devarshi, Brahmarshi, so various levels. So here also we have Brahmarshi, Devarshi Gana Sevitam, and then Tapascharana Samsiddhaihi, those who are treading the path of tapaha. Tapah charati tapascharaha. Nishayam charati nishacharaha. Those who go in the nights are nishacharas. But those who go in tapas are tapascharaha. Tapascharana samsiddhaihi. Those who have tread the path of tapa and have successfully accomplished things are samsiddhaha. So by them, tasamsiddhaihi. All of these are tritiya vibhakti bahuvachanam. By several such people, by several of them. Tapascharana samsiddhaihi, agnikalpaihi. Those who keep always agnihotra or agnikalpa. One who set up agnihotras or agnikalpas. By them, agnikalpaihi, mahatmabhihi, by great such souls. Ambhakshaihi, those who take only liquid food. Apaha is liquids, fluids. Ambhakshaihi, Vayubhakshaihi. We saw Vayubhaksha is those who do pranayama, etc. So those liquid diet people, only wind or air diet people, Vayubhakshaihi. Shirana Paranashanaihi. Ashanam is eating or consumption, eating. By Shirana Parana, by those leaves which drop. You don't go pluck the plant or tree or the vegetable from there. Whatever falls from the tree is only what they eat. Shirana. Shirana is Shithila, one which has slowly become, one which lost the bondage with the stem and that falls off is the Shirana. Shirana Parana, leaves that have fallen from the tree, only such leaves they would consume. Shirana Parana Ashanaihi Tatha Phala Moola Ashanaihi, not only such extreme people, but others who eat flowers, fruits. Phala Moola, Moola is roots. Of course, Jains don't eat roots. So for example, when I was in the Sangha Siksha Varga recently, Dharmendra Pokhrana is our Sambhag's Vyavastha Pramukh. They are Jains. His son Vidit Pokhrana, a high schooler, rather, I think probably first year college or senior at high school. So I met him, very young, handsome guy. And we said, okay, let's have dinner. So we were going there for dinner. And he was, trying to, dissect or observe the dish there. And then he skipped that, went to the next tray. I asked why. Mama, I think there are potatoes in it, he said. Oh, why? We don't eat potatoes. Wow. Second generation guy who is going to go to college here. So then I asked him his story. Tell me why your father is eating, why not you? Yeah, my father has taken it easy. But one of his aunts has done 1 year of Diksha where alternate days only she eats. And that too Jain food again, which means no moolas, no kanda, no bahubija. So with all those restrictions, which means very constricted, limited, very filtered diet on alternate days. If she eats on Monday, no eating on Wednesday. No eating on Tuesday. Again, she eats on Wednesday. Thursday, no eating. Friday. And so alternate days, she has done like that for 1 year for the betterment or for his hitam. And so it seems when you do that, for whosoever purpose you do that, that person has to return back something. And so in return, he said, all right, I will give up potatoes. So he has taken that Diksha. It says, wow, I thought. A young lad, second generation youth here. And he is Kishore Pramukh of the Florida Vibhag. So we did, what I remembered Moola, because potatoes, and said that. So Phala Moola Ashanaihi. So some people, they eat fruits and moolas also, but they don't eat other rice and all. Phala Moola Ashanaihi, Dantaihi, Jita Roshaihi. By keeping this diet and following those daily restrictions, they are Jita Rosha. They have lost that Rosha, unnecessary, that fury that comes up, right? Like animal. So that they have conquered that is Jita Rosha. Jita Indriyaha. They have also conquered the urges of their senses. Rishibhihi Valakhilyayihi. Rishibhihi Valakhilyayihi. Valakhilyayihi. I thought I noted that somewhere.
Valakhilya Rishi was the size Rishi.
Valakhilyayihi is Brahma Roma Jataihi Anyaihi Valakhilya Vilakshanaihi. So Brahma Roma Jataihi, from Brahma's Roma Jataihi, born out of Brahma Roma. Brahma Roma is Brahma's hairs, which means, or which could also mean certain specific food which is born out of very thin creepers, probably. Brahma Roma Jataihi are called Valakhilyayihi. Valakhilyaischa Japa Homa Parayanaihi. Those who are always into Japa, Homa, that is their Parayanam. That is their Nitya daily activity. Japa Homa Parayanaihi. Anyaihi Vaikhanasaischa. Vaikhanasa is one sampradaya today of the Vishnu Vaishnavas, Vaikhanasas, they say. So Vaikhanasaihi is Brahma Nakha Jataihi. So Brahma Roma Jataihi are called Valakhilyas. Brahma Nakha Jatas or Vaikhanasas is another meaning. But Vikhanasa is one Agama Shastra. Those who follow that are Vaikhanasas. So various types of occupants is essentially what is being described here by Shatananda, of how great that Vasishtha ashramam is. Anyaihi Vaikhanasaischa Samantat Upashobhitam. Samantat, all around. It was well occupied and beautifully showing up. Ityarshe Srimad Ramayane Valmikiye
वाल्मीकिये
वाल्मीकिये
काव्ये
आदिकाव्ये
आदिकाव्ये
बालकांडे
बालकाण्डे
बालकाण्डे
एकपञ्चाशः सर्गः.
एकपञ्चाशत् सर्गः
एकपञ्चाशत् सर्गः.
So such a great ashrama padam finally was reached by Vishwamitra as he was traveling all around. So next sarga onwards, because he is already Raja, when he sees such a great one, various temptations or various, I should have this. Why didn't we have such a great ashrama in my empire? Kind of that comparative, possessive instincts come out. And so in the next sarga onwards, we will see what Vishwamitra did. And it runs into several sargas, just like Gangavataranam ran in several sargas, 6 sargas. So also this will run into several sargas. And hopefully soon we will be able to, as I planned, complete Balakanda by coming Ramanavami. Let's hope so. Somebody say Shanti Mantra. Who can say that?
I can say, Bolaji.
Go ahead.
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.